Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the finals error code TFGE0019. The error reads, "Connection failed." As per our research, this error prevents players from joining or reconnecting to a match in the finals. Some users reported getting this error in the final round or midway through ranked matches, and after that, they were unable to rejoin. Others mentioned that entire lobbies seemed to be disconnecting repeatedly. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network issues, game bugs, or server problems. The first thing you should try is restarting your gaming device and router. Simply turn off your PC or console. Then unplug your router for a few seconds and restart it. Then launch the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still appears, make sure your game is up to date. Simply go to your game library and check if there are any pending updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the game. If the issue persists, try switching to a different internet connection. Simply use a mobile hotspot or an alternate Wi-Fi network to see if the issue is related to your current connection. If the game works on another network, then the issue may be with your ISP or router settings. If none of the previous steps work, the error is likely caused by a server-side issue or a game bug. You can check the finals Discord server for any updates on server or game issues. If the issue persists for too long, consider reaching out to the finals support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.